Let's use the addition method and let's solve this system of equations. Now remember, we're going to choose x's or y's, and we want the coefficients of the variable that we choose to be opposites of each other. I'm just going to go ahead and choose x's. What could I make the coefficients of the x's so that they are opposites of each other? Well, if I had a denominator 3 and a denominator 2, the LCD would be 6, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to make one of these coefficients 6 and one negative 6. Now, this is the kind of notation I'm going to use. What would I do to make this a 6? I would multiply by 2. So I'll multiply the left side of my equation by 2. Do not forget to multiply the right side by that number you chose also. Now at the same time, if you don't mind, because I'm going to keep these paired together, what would I multiply this number by in order to have negative 6 as a coefficient? I would multiply by negative 3. So negative 3 times the left side of this equation, 2x minus 3y, and don't forget negative 3 times the right side of the equation. Very common mistake. All right, so we're going to keep these pairings together. Now multiply. If I multiply here, that will be 6x plus 10y is equal to 4. Let's multiply here. Negative 6x, just like I want, plus 9y is equal to negative 3 times 14. That will be negative 42. Now let's go ahead and add the equations because these are opposites of each other. These x's subtract out and I'll have 10 and 9. I'll have 19y is equal to negative 38. And now we can solve for simply y. We'll divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 19, and we'll have that y is negative 2. That is the y value of the ordered pair solution of the system. Now, how do we get the corresponding x value? Choose any original equation. You can actually choose any of these equations that you've multiplied through by because they are all equivalent. And let's find the corresponding x value. I'll simply choose the first equation. 3x plus 5 times, we know y is negative 2, and now let's solve for x. 3x minus 10 is 2. 3x is 2 plus 10, or 12. I'm adding 10 to both sides. Divide both sides by 3, and x is 4. The corresponding x value is 4. Check by making sure this ordered pair is a solution of this equation and also this one. This is the solution of our system.